So now that you know how to get your audio working, let's go through the interface so that you know your way around. When you launch Reaper, it brings up this blank arrangement window. You have this arrangement area here, where your audio and MIDI tracks will be displayed. You have your timeline for the project, which can be displayed in different ways. If you right-click on it, you'll see other options that are available at the bottom here. You can display the timeline in minutes and seconds, or the beats, or the minutes and seconds with the beats. You can also display it in seconds, samples, and in hours, minutes, seconds, and frames. This is handy if you're going to be composing or scoring to video. On the top left, you have the toolbar. This gives you quick access to some of the editing functions, like creating a new project, opening a project, your undo and redo functions, and your metronome. If you hover over each item, you'll see a description. This toolbar can be customized by removing and adding other functions. Right-click here in the space and choose Customize Toolbar. This window here lists what is currently available on the toolbar. You can remove items or add others. When you want to add a function, use the filter section to help you find the commands. This filtering function is really a nice feature. It helps you quickly find things instead of having to sift through the menus. You'll see that this feature pops up in many of the other menus. At the bottom left, you have the transport bar, with the stop, play, and record buttons and so on. Here's your song's playhead position. Next to this is your beats permitted or project tempo. You can enter in a BPM or you can tap it out. Here's your time signature. By default it's set to 4/4, but you can change it if you want. Just click and then type it in. The rate changes your playback rate. Don't worry too much about this right now. I'll give you an example of this later. You can use the selection tool to select different elements in your project. If you hold down your left mouse button, you'll see that you can draw in a selection. You'll also see that the selection bar displays the details of the selection. If you want to remove the selection, just right-click the selection and choose Remove Selection. Here you have your horizontal and vertical zoom and scroll bars. And this blank area on the left is where your tracks will be displayed. In the next video, I'll explain how to add tracks to your project.